Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got a box from, well, I'm pretty sure I know where it's from, but I could be wrong. Hi, Miles. How you doing? It's a box. What do you think of that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, should we open it?
Yeah.
Yeah? And okay, let's take a look and see what this is and who it's from. It's from a company called Hakubaku, and what they're doing is a Meet the Manufacturer series with me. It's where I review a bunch of their products, but in addition to ramen, they have some other interesting products that I wanted to let you know about and check out, and there will be videos and such about them. So let's take a look. So this one sounds good. It's called Mochi Barley Japanese Style Pearl Barley. And it's got all sorts of interesting stats on the front. It says cook with rice for a gourmet taste. It has 12 times the amount of soluble fiber than brown rice. It's heart healthy, may help lower cholesterol, and cooks in only 15 minutes. I know I'm definitely going to be doing a video with this. I've got this special thing on the way. I got it for my birthday. It's called the Ultimate Tamago Kake Gohan Machine. And basically, it's something you use for making Japanese raw eggs. It'll make sense. Once you see it, you're gonna like flip out. The Ultimate TKG is on the way. It's in the States, and I'm just waiting for it to show up. Earmarked. This will probably be the first thing I try with it. So yeah. Something else they sent, this is roasted barley tea, and I don't know that I've ever had barley tea. I may have, but yeah, I'll have to whip some of this up. It sounds kind of good. Now, you might be wondering, what's this one? And you will never guess what it is. These are noodles for children. This is called Hakubaku Japanese Hot Baby Udon. That's what the pouch says that has all the rest of them in it. And what was told to me is that they don't have any salt, and they're pretty basic ingredients, and they're short. They're like an inch or two long, and they're like built for like little hands and stuff. So yeah, I think I'll stick these on my kids. I got a 2-year-old and a 3-year-old. I think they'd like to try them. So cool, thanks. And this is the second in the line of products they have for small children. This is their no salt somen. So it's basically, it's baby ramen, you know, but it's just like a thinner noodle. Again, no salt added. And yeah, I'm very curious about this stuff. It'll be getting cooked up real quick. And they come in, if you get them on Amazon, looks like you get, how many here? There are 3 bags, so. Cool. Well, I want to thank everybody over at Hakubaku. And yeah, I'm doing a Meet the Manufacturer with them. You'll be able to find it on theramenraider.com. You'll be seeing videos on YouTube and Facebook and everywhere. So keep your eye peeled for that. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.